here on Earth, even though I'm still waiting for my spaceship, we're looking at a couple of clouds out there this morning, a little bit of fog as well. 10 TV tower cam, things are pretty quiet as we're kicking off our Wednesday. Right now, temperatures are muggy. We're coming in around 70 degrees, mostly clear skies, and the winds are calm. We have been seeing some reports of some fog. We've been looking at Gabriela Garcia's overall cameras. We have seen some of that fog out there from Mount Vernon out towards Columbus and London, and down into, you can see Circleville, Chillicothe, Piketon, Jackson, seeing some pockets here and there. It's nothing widespread, but just kind of slow down if you do encounter that this morning. Next several hours, we're going to warm up real quickly, looking at temperatures in the low 80s by about 11 a.m. And as we head towards the afternoon, low 90s today. So even hotter today than what we had yesterday. Here's what we're looking at as far as building heat and humidity. This area of high pressure continues to sit anchored off the east coast. That allows that warm, humid air to drift northward, and that's why we're seeing some very hot conditions starting with today and over the next couple of days. As a matter of fact, we're going to jump into what we call meteorologically a heat wave, and that is when you have 3 or more consecutive days of 90+ degrees. You're going to see that here in the next 5 days. 91 for today, 92 on Thursday, 94 on Friday, and then we're looking at 94 Saturday. So our first heat wave of the summer towards the end of July. Heat index also going to be an issue as we go through the next couple of days. Not so much today. It will feel like more like 96, but 101 for both Thursday and Friday. So we're definitely going to be seeing some triple-digit feels like conditions. If you're going to be out and about whatsoever, just be very cautious of that, because it can kind of sneak up on you, especially if you're standing in the direct sunlight. You don't want to be doing that either. Satellite and radar picture, very quiet this morning. We got a little bit of a southwest breeze going to help to warm us up as we go through the afternoon today. And I do think if you've got plans to be out and about, maybe you do want to do some yard work despite the fact that it's going to be hot. I think we're dry all the way through most of the day today. Until about 9 o'clock, 9 p.m. rolls around. We'll begin to see a couple of showers kind of skirt in, mainly north of I-70. And then we will have the chance of seeing some strong storms, mainly north of I-70 from, say, 2 a.m. through about 5 a.m. tomorrow morning. Make sure you watch us tomorrow morning on Wake Up CBus. Could be tracking some strong storms, but it does look like the strongest storms and most of that energy will be well off to the north of our area. So fingers crossed, I don't think we're going to experience any severe weather for tonight. All right, here's a look at our 10-day forecast. Definitely going to be hot out there the next few days. 91 today, 92 on Thursday, 94 on Friday. That is the hottest day of the year thus far, is Friday. We'll have the chance of some pop-up showers and storms both Friday and Saturday, but nothing to cancel any plans about. Definitely go ahead and still head on out to that Ohio State Fair. And as we head towards the weekend, the coolest day, if I had to pick which day to go to the fair, would be on Sunday. Now